Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my robot arm with pneumatic hand, and this is kind of an after convention video. Convention was Bad Hersfeld in Germany, and after convention things might need a checkup, and in this case is no exception. For instance, here is a part that needs to be fixed, but also a part that needs to be added. I ordered it from a fischtechnik shop a while ago, but I haven't come to mounting it yet, or adding it actually. And that may be a challenge. I may have to cut some tubes or something, because during the conventions and also during the videos, normal videos, the problem is how much air do I need to get the finger moved? And on conventions I often cannot show them, and I have to do it like this. And it is much nicer, of course, if I can do it with the compressor. And to know how much air I need, I have a pressure meter, but it still needs to be added. So that's a main goal for this video. Let's get started. First things first, let me enlarge the camera view. And then it becomes clear that things are not quite alright here. So this has to be fixed. And if I remove this part, it becomes clear why this can happen anyway. Because, as you can see, this slide is downwards. And actually, better it would be horizontal. So, pushing the axis right in again. And then, how do I manage to get it in? Like this. Alright. And I'm not even sure if this happened during transport or in any other time. Anyway, let's also remove the transport security. Now everything is much better visible. So I turned this piece 90 degrees, dust everywhere. And well, there's a lot more to test and check, but that would require a lot of time. How is the other end? The other side, that's all right. So this pressure meter, you can see it is original fischertechnik. So it should work. And well, the original looks like this. This tube connecting piece I put in here. And then, where should it go? Well, the tubes, the valves, go from here. So actually, it has to go between here and here. So when I take this away, well, reroute it, you have something like this. And somewhere in between, this has to be. But it has no mounting point. It is fischtechnik, but it has no connecting point to a fischtechnik part. So that makes it a bit hard. how to mount it somewhere. I can put it like here, but then the arm won't get here because the switch is in ultimate position, so it only moves that way, and this is further than this it doesn't come. So I can cut it here. Then again, that won't go that easy. See, if you make something and then come up with another idea, you make it into unforeseen circumstances, like now, where to put it and how to route everything. I think right in the middle is the best thing, because this tube is also relatively short. And I may have to switch these parts. That's maybe a better idea. Let's see how that ends up. And that's it. Thank you for watching. With the pressure meter attached and revealing as for results, it shows for better demonstrations as well. Not everything has been solved, but that's coming up. For now, once again, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. If you want to see everything I did, please support via becoming a patron or a member via Ko-fi. Then you can watch the full video, or you can buy the full video via Ko-fi and see what I did and how I did it and my conclusions. Thank you for those who support me already, and this is certainly going to be continued. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.